there's many adult days that are now open on Saturday and Sunday. And I mean, I've been an executive director of an assisted living for 20 years, and you know, we're having a hard time getting caregivers. Home care, I'm sure, is having a hard time getting caregivers on the weekends.
Brutal.
So, I mean, don't you see the field opening up on the weekends for adult day?
I do. I mean,
in the early hours.
100%. As the need rises, though, right? Like, so you know, for us, it's really trying to figure out where, you know, where's that need. You know, the majority of our people are, you know, like it's almost like half and half. Like, you know, 50% taking care of their mom and dad, 50% you know taking care of a spouse, and you know the spouses are just they're trying to get the break. They're trying to do a hobby. They're trying to pursue their passion or run errands. You know, the adult children, they're working. You know, and so what ends up happening is like we're just trying to meet that need. We do open early for some people, but we're trying to create efficiency too. You know, but I definitely see like we're about like whatever our average day is during the weekday, we're about half of that on a Saturday. And I think at some point in time, like in the future, like 5 years from now, I would bet that you'll see like a 7 to 7 model Monday, 7 days a week that'll kind of be, a pretty standard model, but right now it's like, to me, adult daycare, the way we're doing it is still so new to the average person, like I can't tell you how many times, when it comes to the awareness piece, people just have no idea like how we can help them until they come in for a tour, use a guest pass, and actually experience it, so.
Right.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.